In this video, I will show you how we can enter a number as a text. By default, if you enter any number like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so Excel will omit the leading zero because and treat it as a number. So if you want to write this number as a text, you can include apostrophe, apostrophe that is located near the enter button on your keyboard and enter your value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever number you have. So it will show you the green mark and the value you have entered will now uh, has entered as a text. So this is the small error message that you can see that the number is stored as a text or you can convert back to number. So you can also uh, you know remove this error by going to file and option and click on formulas. And here you can see the number formatted as a text or preceded by an apostrophe. These are error check rules, so you can uncheck it and click on OK. The error is gone now. No green mark is there. Secondly, what you can do if you don't go to this option or don't want to go to any option, you can include the double apostrophe and enter your value. So this will not show you the any error message that the number has been entered as text. And here in the formula bar, you can see that there are double apostrophe, but in on this cell, you can see only one apostrophe. So in this way, you can enter number as text. Thanks for watching.